Okay, let's see how we can have a table in our LaTeX document. You can use tables to summarize your results, to gather your data. They're really useful in writing a document. So let me make a fun plan for my week. So what I do is that at first I begin a tabular, and then of course I end it. Okay, so here I will tell LaTeX how many columns I would like my table to have. So let's see, I would like to have 3 columns. So 1, 2, 3. So these show that I would like the table to have lines, actually vertical lines, at the beginning, just the most left-hand side, just in the middle, and then right-hand side. Also, I would like the text inside the first column to be, okay, let's say right-handed. I would like the middle one to be left-handed, and then I would like the other one to be centered. So just don't be confused. This is L, and this is the line. Okay, let me see. Okay, this is L, this one, and then I would like another one here. So let's make a row here in my column. So let's say I would like to have first Monday, and the second one I would like to have fitness, and then for the third one, nothing special. Okay, let me make a LaTeX from my document and then take a look at what I've made here. Okay, preview, come on. Okay, so this is my table. As you can see, there are no horizontal lines and it only has one row. So now I have to put some horizontal lines here. Okay, in order to have horizontal line just on the top of my table, I will use \h line here, and then let's see what happens. As you can see, there is a horizontal line now here. Okay, now I would like to go to the next line. As you can see, 2 backslashes. I also would like to have a horizontal line between my rows. So let's say for Friday, I would like to have, so this is the first column. For the second column, I would like to have, let's say, art course. And then for the last line, I would like to, let's say, do some baking. What a Friday. Okay, then, yeah, that's it. Then I would like to have a horizontal line here and, oops, okay, 2 backslashes, yep, because you're going to the next line, so you need this. And then this is what is made here. As you can see, the text here is just right-handed, it's just on the right side. This one is more to the left side, and this one is centered. I can write another one here just to make it more clear. Okay, Saturday, I will write, let me say A, and let me say B, just to show you what happens. So 2 backslashes says that my line is over, and then an H line. And then Let us take a look. So as you can see, this is on the left side, this is more centered, and this one you can already see with this Friday that it is on the right side. So this R, L, and C are actually used here. Okay, but there's another trick. So you can see that the table is just on the left side of the page. Okay, let me try something. So I will have the same table. However, before this, I will begin a center. So this begin center shows that I would like to have the object, whatever it is, just on the center of the page, at the center of the page. Okay, so just compare them. So this is the exact same thing, but at the center of my page. You can play with these. You can just skip the lines, for instance. Just see how the table would look like. You can also say, okay, I don't want to have a horizontal line here or even here. So just have a look. Yeah, you can change the shape of your table in any way that you like. You can even have, for instance, two lines here. And then, yeah, you can see that two lines are now shown here. So in Mac, you use Alt and 7 together to get this vertical line. I think it's called pipe. And yeah, then you can change the shape of your table. For instance, you can say, okay, I don't want any vertical lines in the middle. I only would like to have something like this. And then, yeah, this would be the result.